Honorable, Honorable Chief Minister Garu, Honorable Minister Tourism, dignitaries and esteemed investors. It's a privilege to present to you the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Growth Dashboard, a live governance tool powered by our Swarnandhra Vision 2047. So we'll be doing a small demo of the dashboard. We've designed this dashboard around 5 strategic silos, each representing a core pillar of the tourism value chain, covering macro KPIs, products and revenue, projects and investment, branding and capacity building. This platform is more than a tracker. It's the foundation of a data-driven, AI-compatible tourism ecosystem. It's built to convert strategy into measurable outcomes. Our first silo, sir, tracks macro KPIs and growth outcomes. It gives us a bird's eye view of where we stand today, what we aim to achieve by 2029. It monitors our headline indicators: tourism's contribution to the economy, job creation, tourist expenditure, and it acts as a compass for tracking macro level progress. Key goals include 2.45 lakh crore in tourism GDP, up from the current 74,000 crore. Tourism share of GVA to rise from 4.6% to 8%. 25 crore domestic travel annual. Tourist spending to grow from 1,700 to 25,000 visitors. And employment share to rise from 12% to 15%. Sir, we put significant effort into making sure that there are clean data funnels and ensuring source accuracy. This enables real-time insights today, and it prepares us for a predictive analytics and AI-based decision support systems in the near future. Our second silo is products and revenue pipelines. It maps our target tourism products and circuits. Each of these is tracked with baseline data, target revenue, and projected growth. Here we are tracking revenue generation potential and infrastructure capacity. We will also be monitoring the rollout of tourism circuits. Dashboard will help us visualize how each theme contributes to our total tourism economy. We have target revenues of 25,000 crore from the hotel circuit, 5,000 crore from temple circuit. We are also tracking our rising verticals like eco, river and adventure tourism, and we will keep adding products as the experiences we offer diversify. Each vertical is built on performance indicators. It will allow us to later apply seasonality analysis, demand heat maps, and even recommendation models for route planning and package optimization. The third silo is projects and investment tracking. This is our execution engine. It monitors project count, fund mobilization, and implementation progress. It gives us a live pulse of how fast we are translating our MOUs into grounded operational assets. It's currently tracking 437 active projects and 56,000 crores of committed investments. This is being tracked across project lifecycle stages from MOU to civil works to commercial launch, coded as G1 to G4. This is not just visual tracking, it's the foundation for digital twin modeling, automated investor updates, and intelligent risk flagging. Our fourth silo is branding and digital engagement. It focuses on Brand Andhra, our public face to the world. Here we monitor digital traction, online engagement, event-based brand amplification. It helps us understand how Andhra is perceived, how content is performing, and how effectively we are converting curiosity into intent. We are tracking app downloads, website visits, engagement across platforms, global and domestic B2B outreach across key forums, PR visibility and digital campaign analytics. Our goal is to move towards a smart, tailored tourism experience based on user behavior, digital signals, and feedback, creating personalized journeys for every tourist. Our final silo is capacity building and service infrastructure. Tourism thrives on people. Our final screen tracks our human capital and on-ground systems. It monitors training progress, workforce distribution, and feedback mechanisms, capturing human and institutional readiness needed to deliver high-quality experiences at scale. We've trained so far over 78,000 individuals, and we are targeting 1.4 lakh by 2029. This is digitally logged, giving us district-wise skill heat maps and capacity analysis. We are also monitoring tourist safety infra and service feedback systems. This makes Andhra Pradesh not just a destination, but a professionally managed, visitor-friendly ecosystem. In conclusion, sir, this dashboard is not the end, it's the nerve center of Andhra Pradesh's tourism future. It unites policy, data, people and technology in one place. It helps us measure, correct, predict and most importantly lead. With your continued guidance, Honorable Chief Minister Sir, we are ready to make Andhra Pradesh India's most tech-enabled, investor-confident and visitor-beloved tourism state. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you very much. Now I request the Joint Collector Tirupati and GFS